Hey family, you know it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, and you caught me here transplanting a soursop tree. It has outgrown its pot and it's actually getting a little root rot. So I want to transplant it real quick here, show you how I transplant a tree. Now as you notice, I transplanted some coconut tree last time, and I just want to clean out a deep hole about the pot size, because that's what it was in. I ran into some roots, so I'm chopping the roots out right here. And I got some beautiful soil. This tree is going to be so happy, thankful to see and feel such a soil. Give you a closer look. So the main thing you want to do is, you know, open the hole. I like to throw the dirt right around it. And I leave it a little bit concave. Yeah, just like that. And because it already had roots popping, I like to just soften the soil to get the roots penetrate. That's it. Now, I like to use a technique of, you know, breaking up the roots a little bit. You know, knocking off some of the dirt. See? It was in real trouble, ladies and gentlemen. Real trouble. It was in real trouble. There we go. Get rid of some of those dirt. And then I'm gonna put it on in as deep as possible, because it's going to be dry from the winter. So I'm trying to protect the roots. That's how you transplant a soursop tree, alright? It's a Crocus Bag Farmer. Yes, family, this soursop tree right here is going to grow and bring me fruits, you know. Guarantee. And right now, I'm show you, say, this is a good nerve food, good nerve tea. You can use the skin, the bark, the sticks. The dry sticks are actually more potent than the leaves. A lot of people like to use the leaves because it's